This is the biggest story of the century, and U.S. media is not covering it. Don't you think that it is indecent that for a year now, nobody in the media has shown the difference between this birth certificate that Obama put on his Fight the Smears website, which I personally call Fight the Truth website, which shows nothing, and real birth certificate that should show the name of the hospital and the name of the doctor? Don't you think that in a year nobody could find 5 minutes to approach Mr. Obama and tell him, Mr. Obama, why are you not showing your original birth certificate? Why aren't you showing your college records? Why aren't you showing all of those documents to the American people? Another thing I wanted to say, that the issue is not just birth certificate. Birth certificate just helps illustrate this issue. But the point is, regardless of where Mr. Obama was born, whether he was born in Hawaii or Kenya, he is not a natural-born citizen. It makes no difference. And when U.S. Constitution was written, prior to it being adopted, the first Chief Judge of the United States of America, John Jay, has written a letter, and this letter was written to George Washington. And I actually wanted to read for you a few words because it specifically relates to the issue at hand. Yeah, when you need it, you can never find it. That's Murphy's Law. Yeah, here it is. It stated, "Permit me to hint whether it would be wise and seasonable to provide a strong check to the admission of foreigners into the administration of our national government, and to declare expressly that the Commander-in-Chief of the American Army shall not be given to, nor devolve on any but a natural-born citizen." Ladies and gentlemen, today it's even more important than it was then. This country is at war. We had a serious problem. We had 11 terrorists who represent radical Islam slaughter 3,000 American citizens in Twin Towers and in Washington, D.C., not far from here. In this situation, where we have American soldiers fighting in Afghanistan, in Pakistan, how can we put in the White House a person that we have no clue who he is? For all we know, this person can have passports of 4 different countries, and we're going to put him in the White House? John Jay, the Chief Justice of the United States of America, has warned us against something like this, and that's what is happening. Let me go further. In terms of the 14th Amendment, John A. Bingham, the framer of the 14th Amendment, defined natural-born citizen as follows: every human being born within the jurisdiction of the United States of parents not owing allegiance to any foreign sovereignty. And due to the fact that Mr. Obama's father, who is Kenyan, and Kenya was a British protectorate at a time, he was a British citizen. He owed allegiance to the Great Britain. Mr. Obama is not eligible to be a natural-born citizen. He is not eligible to be the President of the United States.